Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 12 circle that was asked at SE 2080 at Bagmati province, and the question says that in the given figure, two circles intersect at point S and Q. So these two are the points where two circles intersect. The diameters PS, so PS is a diameter and RS is also a diameter. Okay. So in A, what is the measure of an angle made at semicircle? So the circumference angle made at semicircle is always 90 degree. Okay, so it will be 90 degree. Prove that PQR is a straight line. PQR is a straight line. So for that we will construct or join S and Q, and that makes this angle SQP and SQR 90 degree because angle at circumference of semicircle. And if we join two angles of this PQR, it will be 90 degrees. So this will be straight line. Fine. In C, verify experimentally that sum of any one pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree by making two different circles having radius at least 3 centimeter. Okay, we will construct here and then prove it as well. We need to construct and measure because it is experimental verification. Now without any delay, let's start the solution. In A, what is the measure of an angle made at the semicircle? The circumference angle made at the semicircle is always right angle, that is 90 degree. So this is about it. It is the slide from our concept video, and I will link that video on the iCard as well, here as well. You can watch that video. Now moving on to B, prove that PQR is a straight line. Here, if we join points Q and S with a straight line, you will draw that figure here. Okay, I will be constructing here joining Q and S, a straight line, angle PQS and angle RQS will be 90 degree each, as they both are circumference angle of semicircle. Fine. Now angle PQS plus angle RQS is equals to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Let me erase this. Is equals to 90 degree, as the two angles sum to 180 degrees. The line PQR is a straight line. Okay, so this is about solution of question number B. Now moving on to question number C, verify experimentally that sum of any pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Here drawing circles, drawing two circles having radii more than 3 centimeter with cyclic quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. Now measuring angle P, Q, R, angle Q, R, S, angle R, S, P, and angle S, P, Q, and filling up the table. So here we will draw two circles with cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so the two circles should have radii more than 3 centimeter. Okay, so this will be one circle. Okay, so this is one circle, and another circle will be slightly bigger than this. Okay, so this will be the another circle. Here let's construct I am being clever now again, as I will be constructing a semicircle, a rectangle. Rectangle is also a semicircle, I mean cyclic quadrilateral, if you make it right. Okay, so this all angles will be 90 degree here. Fine, and then I will make a cyclic quadrilateral that is not rectangular here. So the name of cyclic quadrilateral will be P, Q, R, and S. Okay, so this will be P, Q, R, and S. This will be figure 1 and this will be figure 2. Now measuring each angles, so this is this is not exactly 90 degree, but before that we will first make a table. So this will be figure number, this will be angle PQR, angle QR, yes, angle RSP, angle SPQ, angle PQR plus angle RSP, angle QRS plus angle SPQ, and here will be result. Fine, so this is figure, this is the table that we will fill out. Okay, we have two figures, so we will have only two lines, and here it will be conclusion. So Okay, the figure number 1 and figure number 2, and we will measure each angles now. So angle, the first one is angle PQR, and it is 91 degrees. PQR is 91. What happened here? Is it charging now? No, it is not charging. Yeah, now it is charging. So this is 91 degrees. So angle PQR in figure 1 is 91 degree. Angle QRS, this is how much? 92 degrees. 92 degrees. So this RSP should be 89 degrees. Okay, let me see how much it is. This will be 89 degree. Yeah, it is showing 88, but we should write 89 degree so that these two angles sums up to 180 degree. Fine. And then we will measure SPQ. SPQ is 88 degrees. This will be 80 degrees. Yeah, it is showing 89, but we will write 88 degrees, and that will also gives us here 180 degree. Now moving on to another one. So this SPQ will be 86 degree. SPQ is 86 degree. This PQR is 86 degree again. PQR is 86 degree. Now this two should be 94 degrees. Okay, let's see. This is 90 and how much was SPQ? Oh sorry, SPQ was 76 degree. I made a mistake here. SPQ was 76 degree and 76 180, so it should be 104 degree. Yeah, it is 104 degree. So it is 104 degrees. That sums up to 180 degree. And another angle here, it is 95 degree, but what we need is 94 degrees. So 94 degrees, and that also gives us 180 degree. And in result we write that opposite angles sum to 180 degree. And in conclusion we will write that the sum, we will copy this, okay, the sum of any one pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree, hence proved. So this is about the solution of this video. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section down below, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.